What's up, online shoppers? So you're the proud owner of a Blackstone griddle, or maybe just a different kind of a griddle that's got a cast iron surface, and you want to get a really nice non-stick surface going on it. The key to that is seasoning. This is the original Blackstone seasoning and cast iron conditioner. It comes in this really great little tub, and I'm going to tell you that this has become one of my favorite products that I use throughout all of my cookware. Now, you can use this on a Blackstone griddle and get the nicest season that is easy release and non-stick, and this is what is the key element to that. I also, once I bought this for my Blackstone, fell in love with it for my cast iron. I've got my Lodge 10-inch skillet and my Lodge 10-inch griddle right here, and both of them also love being seasoned by the Blackstone griddle and cast iron conditioner. This is TLC for your cookware, and with this you don't need anything else. You don't need fancy brushes, you don't need fancy pastes and scrubs. This is your all-in-one right here. It seasons and conditions and protects. When you season your griddle or your cast iron with this seasoning and conditioner, it is going to be protected from rusting because you're going to build up this beautiful coating that does not let the iron oxidize into rust. And we all know what a nightmare rust can be for your cast iron and your other griddle surfaces. My husband has even gone so far as to use this on our other barbecue grill because he finds that it also has created a nice non-stick surface there too. This is Blackstone's special sauce mix of a bunch of different oils so that you have a product that meets all of your needs for your cast iron and your Blackstone griddle. A little of this does go a long way, and they say for a 22-inch Blackstone griddle, all you actually need is a tablespoon. Let's open up the jar and I'll show you what it looks like in there. This is a brand new one because I do go through it. There you go. There is the paste right there. It has kind of a creamy consistency. It actually reminds me of bacon grease, but it is definitely not bacon grease. Now, they do suggest that a little goes a long way, so you don't want to see this product pooling on the surfaces that you're seasoning. You really just want the smallest amount so that you can build up layers and layers of this as it heats up and attaches itself to the surface of your griddle or your cast iron. The other great thing about this is that you can go back to it again and again. So if you cook on your griddle and you want to clean it, you can do an initial water clean, but you want to make sure it's fully dried off and then apply this while the griddle is still hot, and it will create a really nice new seasoned surface for the next time that you're cooking on it. Now, don't be alarmed when you put this on and spread it over your griddle or your cast iron. It is going to smoke, but that's essential. You definitely want it to smoke off to create that really nice non-stick surface on your cast iron or your griddle. If you are looking for a way to keep your Blackstone griddle and your favorite cast iron cookware in tip-top shape, the original Blackstone griddle seasoning and cast iron conditioner is definitely a top pick and a family favorite at my house.